Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Choose a trustworthy auto clicker and verify your Minecraft version. Once installed, open a single-player world to avoid bans while testing. Now assign a simple hotkey and select left or right click. Set an initial interval around 10-20 ms so you can feel the effect without chaos. Make sure the clicker is set to toggle rather than hold for the first test, and run a short session to confirm the tool actually sends clicks to Minecraft. Once done with basic testing, dig into configuration to balance speed and safety. You should tweak the interval depending on the task, faster for block breaking, slower or randomized for combat to reduce detection risk. Make use of randomized delay or noise features and occasional pauses so patterns look human. Also decide between repeat, toggle, or hold modes depending on control needs. Finally, bind a secondary toggle for emergency off. Make sure it overrides game focus. If you need you finish by running concise, controlled sessions and fine-tuning settings. Start with a 5-10 minute trial to observe FPS, input lag, and whether clicks register reliably. Then tweak intervals or switch click type if needed. Make sure your hotkeys don't conflict with Minecraft or overlays. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to run both Minecraft and the clicker as administrator, disable overlays and conflicting programs, and retest. That usually fixes permission or focus-related failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.